Good day. So today I'm going to show you a trade that I am in. Keep in mind that this is only one share, and this is basically just I'm just going over how you can trade. Now, there's many ways to trade. Everybody has their own strategy. Everybody is doing their own thing. Some people may use different indicators. Some people might have different entry and exit points. Some people may just do things differently. But this is just one way. Now, once you start trading, you'll develop your own way to trade, you'll develop your own intuition, you'll start to listen to yourself more than you start to listen to other people. Other people are here to teach you what works for them, and then that can influence you. So let's look at the chart that we have on the screen right over here. We're on the 1 minute chart right now. I'm in one share of a sell trade on the S&P. And as we can see, we're in profit of about $1.86. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, and it's not a lot. But the reason why we have this here is to basically just get that get into the hang of trading. Now, as we can see over here, we have multiple entry and exit positions. A sell, a buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. And then we have our sell-off over there. Now, in the beginning trades over here, this is where losses occur. People need to understand how to get in and out of trades the right way. See this trade over here that I'm in, I entered in right over there at the VWAP, and I held on to it. Um, and we were in profit. But the other trades, those, if you don't know how to trade right, those losses could add up, and that's where money is lost. So executing entries is important when it comes to trading. So that takes practice. And the way that you practice is just by you trade live. You start small by doing one share like we did over here, and then you gradually move up until you feel comfortable. Now, a lot of people shouldn't be dependent on trading initially. It should be something that they're learning. It's a skill that they're learning. Just like anything else, like a language, like doing anything else, you ease your way into it. You just don't jump into it, and that's how you lose. So with that being said, um, practice entries and exits. And if you have any questions, comment below.